In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use and integrate Trello with HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and then click onto this store icon or marketplace icon. So proceed to click on this, click on HubSpot Marketplace, and this will redirect you to the marketplace itself. Onto the search bar, click on this and proceed to search for Trello. You can see this right here, Trello app by Trello. So proceed to click on this one. Don't worry because this is already a good application and certified as well. So do take note that this requires Trello subscription. So for this case, click on install. You will open right here this particular window. Scroll down and then under this case, click on login. And you just need to authorize the Trello and HubSpot integration by logging in with your Atlassian account. Into this case, proceed to log in into your account, and once you do, you should be able to actually integrate Trello and HubSpot together. After you have done that, you should be able to successfully connect Trello with HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot subscription yet, make sure to use our affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.